aim to verify Beer's law and to find unknown concentration of given copper sulfate solution. Material required: colorimeter, 50 ml volumetric flask, 0.01 molar copper sulfate solution, ammonium hydroxide. Procedure: preparation of various concentration of copper sulfate ammonium complex solution. Take 50 ml volumetric flask and take the required quantity, in this case 30 ml of 0.01 molar copper sulfate solution in the volumetric flask. To this add 12.5 ml ammonium hydroxide. So as soon as you add this ammonium hydroxide, it forms a complex with Cu2 plus ions, giving a deep blue color solution. Then dilute this with distilled water up to the mark, that is 50 ml. In the similar way, prepare 0.001, 0.002, 0.004 and 0.006 molar solutions from the stock solution and one blank solution. So blank solution is the one which won't contain copper sulfate solution. This is the colorimeter, this is the filter, sample holder, and these are the dummy sample holders. This is on off button. So we have to select absorbance and not the transmittance. Select the absorbance, and this is the knob to adjust it to 0. These are the ranges for various filters. We will be using 620 filter because the range is 580 nanometers to 640 nanometers. Take a blank solution in the cuvette, this is called as a cuvette, and insert it in the sample holder. Make sure that the line coincides with this mark. Adjust the reading to 0 with the help of blank solution. The absorbance should be 0 for the blank solution. Here it is. So first we will start with 0.001 molar copper sulfate solution. So take this solution in the cuvette, wipe and insert it into the sample holder. Now don't touch any of the knob, simply insert the solution and note down the reading. It's showing 0.03. Take the next solution, that is 0.02 molar solution. Throw the previous one. Take 0.02 molar copper sulfate solution, the complex of course, and note down the absorbance. You can see that the absorbance has increased. As the concentration increases, the absorbance increases. Similarly, note down the absorbance for remaining solutions of this complex. So this was 0.03 molar and it is showing 0.19 as absorbance, and this is the last solution, that is 0.006 molar. Insert it into the sample holder and note down the absorbance, that is 0.28. Unknown will be given to you. You have to find out the concentration of this. So you can measure the absorbance. For unknown it is 0.14. For unknown it is 0.14, the absorbance. And then you have to plot a graph and find out the concentration.